Here I've got Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and now enter a secret code, which is *##, *4636, #*#. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode, where you can check phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with phone info. And here you can come along with email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and many others. You can also run a ping test here. To do it, simply click on Run Ping Test, and below you will find the solution. Let's go back, then let's check user statistics. And here you've got all details regarding your application, so you can check the usage time and other useful data. As you can see, everything is included here. And in Wi-Fi information, you have three options, so it's Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. So in Wi-Fi APA, you can come along with disabled network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can come along with all the configured networks, so all the current plugged in networks, and then Wi-Fi status will show you, just refresh it, will show you the current status of your Wi-Fi, and also this mode allows you to perform a ping test. Simply click on it, and below you've got the solution. So this would be all for the first code, and now it's time for the second one. It's *##, *225, #*#. And now you can check all the calendar info, so if you will have your Gmail included in this Motorola, you will be able to see all the events, all upcoming celebrations that you have in your device, so you don't have to come along the whole calendar, but you can simply enter this shortcode and then make sure that you have some plans for next week or next month or whatever. Then another code is a very short one, it's *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with very important info, which is both email numbers and also serial number. So these are unique numbers that identifies your phone. Click on OK to go back. And the last code is *##, *2486, #*#. And as you can see, now we are in engineering mode, so you can perform a virus of very useful tests here. Just switch between them and then select those that you would like to perform. Here you've got everything, so you can check sequence mode, model assembly mode, MMI test, and plenty of others. So here you've got the factory, you can check also alt. It's up to you. So that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Motorola. Enjoy them and use them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.